10 years ago, a concept was born. A concept that everyone on earth has the ability to achieve success. The power to have financial freedom. And the capacity to go the extra mile. With the help of inspirational leaders, exclusive products at the highest quality, and a rock-solid support system for success. Millions have changed their lives simply by defying the norm and raising themselves to the ultimate purpose of living in harmony, in peace, and in love. Are you ready to realize your dreams? Join us in celebrating another 10 years of your success and changing lives for the better. The right company, the right products, the right people. This is your new life. Powered by QuestNet.
Welcome once again back to a video by V Studios. If you don't already know me, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Padman Senatiraja. I'm a V partner and a managing director of the V. And today's video is going to be very different. If you've watched all the training videos in the past 1 year which we have developed, it's a lot about how to build your business, how to sustain your organization, what is required for basic training, mid-level training, leadership training. And over the past years of us building the QuestNet business and building the V family, we've come to realize that you guys are out there for one purpose: financial freedom. I respect that, I promote that, I believe in that. And that's the reason why we're all here. Ultimately, QuestNet is an opportunity, the V is your grand upline, all right? And we guide you along this journey where you start from nothing all the way to financial freedom. Now, over the years, we've been observing all over the world, in every country we go to, there's two types of networkers, all right? There's a networker who thinks long-term, and there's a networker which thinks short-term. And we come to realize that there's a drastic difference in the way they build the network, in the way they promote the business, all right, in the way they sustain their leadership and their downlines. Drastic difference, all right, almost unbelievable, okay? And the correct word for today's video, all right, or the title of this video is going to be the truth, okay? Just simple, the truth. And I'm here for the next 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, all right? I'm going to talk to you about the truth of building this business, all right? Summarize in the do's and the don'ts of this business. Because ultimately, if you realize the day you come into the business and until the day you reach this level called financial freedom, there are many routes you can take. There's many things you can do. There's many tricks a lot of people use. But ultimately we realize that the consequences in the way you build your business in your country, wherever you're sitting down watching this video right now, has adverse effects on us long term. Let me give you a very good example. Let's say we're building Malaysia, where I'm standing right now, right? And there's two groups. There's one group doing it the proper way, all right, systematically, applying systems, educating people, making sure the downlines are equipped with enough knowledge to build the business, all right? 8 basic building blocks, rule 3, shut up, listen and do, welcome video, the works, All right, they're just implementing a strategic system of building the network. All right, that's group A. And then you have group B, a different group, which is there to make as much money as fast as possible, regardless of the price, all right, they are paying. So they go all out. They promote the business to every Tom, Dick and Sally. Don't give enough information. Okay? All right? Over-promise, under-deliver. All right? Say things which are not even the truth. Okay? Now the authorities in that country one day is going to wake up and smell the coffee and realize there are thousands of people in this group who don't even know what they join, which don't even know what networking is about, which don't know head or tail of network marketing. But there's this other group building the business very well, very ethically, all right, very responsibly. Now the authorities will decide, hey, let's take action against these people. But they're not going to take action against group A or B. They're going to take action against the company, the organization, QuestNet, the V. And what happens? All right, the actions of this group wake up the authorities or whoever, the peoples of power in your country, right? They take action in totality over the whole country and the business, and this ethical, good behaving group suffers, all right, a very bad fate basically. Are you guys with me? If you're with me, nod your head at home, all right? Please understand this, that one bad apple will spoil the whole basket, okay? And today's video, I'm going to be as truthful as you can. So firstly, if you're sitting there thinking, hey, how come Patman is talking about this suddenly? He usually inspires, motivates, talk about big dreams. Hey, I'm still the same Patman. But I also want QuestNet to be around for 100 years, 200 years. I want my grandkids to be networkers in this company. And in order for us to achieve that long-term business strategy, we have to do things right. We have to face the truth, live by the truth about our business. What networking is about, what QuestNet is about. All right? I'm going to be talking to you by showing you two journeys which a group can take. All right? And like I always show you in most of my videos, all right, the networking journey is from start all the way to financial freedom. Okay, this is it. This is the journey. Alright, and if you remember one of my videos, I talked about you can do it systematically and properly straight, or you can choose to do it this way. Alright, very confusing, no direction, no system, and it takes you 25 years to achieve financial freedom, where other people are achieving financial freedom in 3 to 5 years, which is the normal period I think any serious networker should take to achieve financial freedom. But there's a problem. There are people who want to start and achieve financial freedom, right, at any cost. That means do anything, right, to achieve that financial freedom. Now, what do? What is the truth about networking today? All right, so let's compare two groups. Let's compare, all right, the A group and the B group. The good guys and the bad guys. And I'm not saying they're bad guys, all right, because of bad intentions. I think they all have the best intentions. They just don't know that what they're doing is wrong. So they keep doing it. They lack training. They lack exposure to the V. They don't watch videos. Alright? They don't understand the requirement of basic training. So they just keep doing what they think is best, not realizing that it's going to cause a negative impact to the whole organization or the whole country, wherever they're building. Right, bottom line is, let's talk about group A and group B. Okay? And you decide which group you belong to. You decide what your upline is promoting to you. Alright? You decide whether you're doing the right thing or the wrong thing after watching this video. Alright? Group A believes in the concept of network marketing as a business. Alright? And every business in the world has their rules, has their policy and procedures, has the do's and the don'ts, have the right way and the wrong way. In any business, not only network marketing. Alright, there are a lot of traditional businesses out there where people are doing the wrong way and the right way. And you observe this in your own country. Some businesses stay for 100 years and some businesses shut down after 1 year because they're doing it the wrong way. They may make a lot of money short term, but in the long term, they lose. So you decide which group you want to belong to, all right? And guys, let's face the fact. You did not get into QuestNet as a short-term plan. You got into QuestNet for a long-term plan, all right? Financial freedom, leaving a legacy for your children, your grandchildren, all right, to enjoy what you have built. But whatever you have built should last, should not crumble and fall after 1 year, 1.5 years, all right?